Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Review Hub. Today, I'm thrilled to bring you something game-changing if you're a TikTok creator struggling to get noticed. You've put hours into making content, yet it feels like you're shouting into the void. Sound familiar? You're not alone. TikTok's fast-paced nature makes it incredibly tough to stand out, especially when the algorithm seems to favor those who are already ahead. But what if you could skip the grind and get viral traffic without burning out? Imagine a tool that could open the floodgates to organic, viral traffic for your profile, your brand, and even your website, all without spending a dollar on ads. Sounds too good to be true? Well, let me prove it to you. Introducing TokMate. TokMate is a revolutionary tool that takes the hard work out of going viral. For just $67, and yes, that includes full access to every feature I'm about to show you, TokMate does the work of finding the hottest, most viral content in your niche, letting you post or schedule it instantly. Whether you're in e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or even running a local business, TokMate ensures that your content can reach millions overnight. So, why TikTok? With over 1 billion daily active users, it's not just the fastest growing social network, it's where people spend the most time, 1.5 hours a day on average. And get this, 77% of users have bought a product after seeing it on TikTok. This is the #1 platform for impulse buying, and it's where your audience is ready and waiting. But the challenge? Creating content that stands out, goes viral, and actually drives traffic. That's where TokMate steps in. TokMate isn't just any software, it's the first ever tool designed to send your profile and content viral on demand. How? TokMate finds the most viral, proven to win content in any niche within seconds. You can optimize it, add the perfect hashtags, and schedule it to post at the best times for maximum engagement, all without creating a single original piece of content. TokMate automates this, turning hours of work into a few clicks. Let's break down the features that make TokMate an absolute powerhouse. Viral Content Finder. Search for keywords, hashtags, or accounts in your niche, and TokMate instantly shows you content that's already gone viral. Auto Post and Scheduling. No need to be glued to your screen, schedule your posts for the highest engagement times. One-click posting from desktop. Say goodbye to struggling with your phone. TokMate lets you manage everything directly from your computer. Remix Tools and Viral Hashtag Tracker. Stand out by customizing viral content and using trending hashtags. TokMate also has an in-depth analytics module to track competitors and trending hashtags, ensuring you're always one step ahead. If your content goes viral, it boosts engagement across your whole profile, meaning more views, more followers, and more sales. And the best part? TokMate guarantees results on day one, or they'll double your investment back. Yes, you heard that right. Day one results or your money back. Now, here's where it gets even better. If you decide to purchase TokMate using the link in the description, I've got a special bonus waiting for you. Just DM me on Instagram with a screenshot of your purchase, and I'll send you something to take your TikTok game to the next level. So, if you're ready to make 6 figures a month with minimal effort, this is the moment to act. For only $67, you can automate your viral growth, become a market leader, and skip the guesswork with TokMate. Don't wait. TikTok's opportunity is now, and with TokMate, you'll make the most of it without breaking a sweat. Get started with TokMate today, unlock that viral potential, and I'll see you at the top.